Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to ANIEVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is definition of Nukta. Today's topic is definition of Nukta. Today's lecture number 7, term half yearly 2021. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Lesson number 3. Today's lesson is lesson number 3, learning Nukta, and page number 11 from your book Islamic Studies and Arabic, page number 11. Okay, definition of Nukta: one or more signs like point. This is like point are used over and below some of Arabic letters. This is called Nukta. Example: this is one letter and this is like point. This is as like as point. This sign name Nukta. Okay, this sign name Nukta. It is also used below the letter and also can be used on the letter or upon the letter, such as two Nukta. This is two Nukta. If you used more Nukta, this is three Nukta. Okay, this is one Nukta's letter and this is three Nukta's letter. Like this point, this sign name is Nukta. Okay, dear students, I want to repeat again definition of Nukta: ones or more signs like point. This is as like as point are used over and below some of Arabic letters. This is called Nukta. For example, ba and tha. This letter used one Nukta and this letter used three Nuktas. Okay, dear students, you have to practice more at your home and write down at your CW copy minimum 2 times. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah, with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.